Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today is 26th of July 2019. The Hajj season has started just in a fortnight. The Haram al-Sharifan will be packed with pilgrims. Today after the Jummah prayer you can see the congregation of Muslims. يا ربي صل على محمد يا ربي صل عليه وسلم يا ربي صل على محمد يا ربي صل عليه وسلم يا ربي صل على محمد يا ربي صل على محمد يا ربي صل عليه وسلم